Cooking for 1 or 2 can be a challenge, but ito, very special. Honey glazed chicken with a garlic smashed potatoes. Let's start cooking. Ito, meron akong carrots and a little bit of cauliflower. Ibabutter ko na siya ahead of time. Para, ito, kung kakain ka mag-isa, dapat konti lang din yung hugasan, di ba? Then, toss my vegetables. Ayan. Toss lang. Then salt. Of course, salt dapat may taste siya, no? And eto, sabay ko na siya. Aside from blanching my vegetables ahead of time. Yan. And I have my potatoes, marble potatoes. Ginawa ko dito ay binoil ko na siya. And isa-smash natin. So, hindi siya mashed potatoes. It's very nice. So, sarap nito. So, ito yung butter ko. Di ba, meron natira akong butter dito. Meron akong bacon. Mince lang siya. And I will just add it here. Saute. So it will give a nice smoky flavor to my smashed potatoes. And what I will do now, I will season. Dapat properly season din yung ating potatoes. Yan. Ito siya. We don't want to move it too much, no? So gagawin natin yung ating sauce ng ating chicken. Tomato ketchup, soy sauce, lemon juice, and honey. Yan lang, oh. Very easy. Stir natin. Lagyan natin ng konting water. Yan. Put that aside. Mamaya na natin ito gagamitin. So, yung gagawin natin dito, this is the time that I will add my garlic. Kasi ito medyo luto na yung aking potatoes. You can add more if you want. So, minced garlic. So, we don't want to burn our garlic, no? We just want to infuse that garlic flavor. Toss lang tayo. Black pepper. Hello mga ka-Simpol! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol Cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. And this is done. Konting parsley. Pa-parsley tayo para may konting freshness. Diba? Ito, then yung gagawin natin, I'll just add half of this on one side of my plate. So using the same pan, sobrang dali lang ng buhay natin. Diba? So, we will sear our chicken. Walang oil! Wala nang oil kasi may butter na yun lahat eh. Ito, yung ating chicken skin will provide the fat we need to cook our chicken. So, yan. Don't move lang. Ito, yung likod, asinan din natin, no? So, very important, be patient, no? So, we really want to sear the chicken hanggang maging brown and crispy yung aking skin. Yan. So, tignan natin yung skin, ha. Look at that. Beautiful, di ba? Look at that. Konti pa, konti pa. A little bit more, no? Now, baliktarin natin. Yan. Ganda, no? And ito siya, yung ating sauce na ginawa kanina, ilalagay na natin siya. We will pour it not over the chicken, pero on the sides. Gilid lang niya, ha? O yan, so if you want to add herbs here, you can add herbs. So, what I will do, I will just season with a little salt just to balance. Ito, kung may rosemary ka na buo or thyme, pwede mo ilagay dito para very fancy. Pero ito lang sa akin, meron akong dried basil. Konti lang, no? Very, very light. Makikita mo, as the sauce thickens, yung bubbles ng ating syrup, lumiliit, no? Nagiging thick na siya. Pag warm na yung chicken mo, at thick na yung inyong sauce, so dun mo palang i-base yung inyong skin with the glaze before serving. Ito, I will just, so beautiful. Masarap din to with rice, no? And for your excess honey glaze, you just drizzle it over. Look at that. Titikman natin kung masarap din ba kung mag-isa. Chicken, dapat may konting skin. Tignan natin, ha. Masarap ba kahit mag-isa? So here it is, our special recipe for today. Ating honey glazed chicken and our garlic smashed potatoes. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!